Hey, Gaurav here. I'm a full-time internet marketer for the last 5 years, and here I teach you how to build a long-term sustainable and unshakable online business promoting other people's offers. And if you are coming here for the first time, make sure you go below this video and subscribe to my channel. And if you want to know how exactly I make money promoting other people's offers, there will be a link to a free course in the description. And now today I want to talk to you how any beginner can make money on Clickbank. So here are few of my proofs for a product that I promoted few days back on 5th, 6th and 7th of March. Usually I promote on WordPress and Zavizu. I don't use Clickbank a lot. But I promoted this offer here, and I'm going to show you exactly how I made these commissions, what I did, and I'm going to show you each and everything step by step. Before you promote this stuff, I want to show you the product that I was promoting. I was promoting a offer called My IM University that lets you build Udemy-like sites and sell courses of your own or other people's courses inside that site. And when someone buys from that site, you can make money. So what I did is, first of all, I built a bonus page. So I created a bonus page in a tool called Commission Gorilla. So this was my bonus page where I had, some details about the product, the sales video of the product, what it exactly does, their main features, the steps, what they can do. There is a small demo here. And then I have included these bonuses. I was giving them 10 bonuses if they buy that Clickbank offer from my link. So these are all bonuses which are related and complement the main offer. This is about sales funnels, about Facebook ads, payment processors, writing headlines. And what was happening is whenever someone comes to my bonus page, I tell them that, I'm giving them few details, and then I'm telling them all the bonuses I'm giving them. And then when they click on the button here, they are sent to the affiliate offer, which is on Clickbank. So you can see. So this is where they go after clicking on my affiliate link. And whenever someone buys that, I make commissions. And how I created those bonuses is, some of these bonuses are created by myself. This is a bonus which is one of my previous offer. And these are few bonuses that you can find on PLR sites, something like downloadplrproducts.com or idplr.com, and few bonuses were provided to me from the vendor. So I found out 10 bonuses which I thought will really suit the product. I created the bonus page, and then the next thing is I had to send traffic. So I track everything I do with clickmagic.com. So I sent around 254 unique clicks to the main offer, and 84 of them were sent to the bonus page. And this was a preview page which I usually send them a preview of the sales page one day before the launch. And this is again other link, because by mistake I had misspelled the link, so I had to create a different link so that I don't lose traffic. But here the main idea was I was able to send 254 unique clicks, and I was able to make $285 promoting this offer. Total 11 sales. I got a refund. So I had made around $316 promoting this offer, which was actually pretty low for the kind of traffic I was sent. Usually if I send 250 clicks, I easily make $800, $900, but the conversions are pretty low on this offer. But anyways, I wanted to record this video so I show you that how you can promote these kind of offers. So how I was able to send 254 clicks is I emailed to my email list. I have an existing email list that I have created over the past few years, and whenever I need to promote any offer, what I do is I just mail to these guys I mail to them one day before the launch, and I tell them that something new is coming. For example, I'm going to show you one of the email here. So let me show you the mails that I sent to my email list one day before the launch and on the launch day, and few days after the launch. I think I sent around 5 to 6 emails, and let me show you. And I sent it to around, I think, 10,000 people. So the clicks were pretty low. I think most of the people, they were not interested in this kind of offer. But anyways, let me show you an example. So one day before the launch, I sent them an email if they want to grab their share in $300 billion niche. And I was telling them about info product publishing, that sites like Udemy and Skillshare, how they are hugely popular, people love them, and how they make a lot of money. And if you're interested to build such a kind of business, there is a new product which is coming around, I Am University, and it is launching tomorrow. Then I was sending them to a sales page preview. I think it's now redirects to the main sales page, so you won't be able to see that. But usually there is a sales page preview where I just have the demo and the sales page. Okay, I just take the snapshot of the sales page and I keep it here. Now it's redirecting to the main affiliate link. So anyways, so this is what I do one day before the launch, and then I tell them these are a few bonuses that you can check out. These are the bonuses I am giving away. So even before the launch day, they already know that what's coming out and what bonuses they are going to get and what kind of offer they are going to see. And again, on the next day, if the product is launching on 11 a.m., I send them an email around 9 a.m. EST or 8:30 a.m. EST. I tell them that yesterday I sent you an email about this offer. They do check it out. If not, just go ahead and check it out. And it's going live on 11 a.m. EST, and the price is going to be $47. So don't miss out. And what the product is all about, I just give them a detail about the product, what it does, and few benefits and features. Then again, I recap the bonuses. But inside there, they get 10 bonuses when they go to my bonus page. Here I just explain them about the 2 of the bonuses, and then again, in case they miss my earlier email, they can read it here. And then as soon as it goes live at 11 a.m. EST, I send them a simple email that the product has gone live. What it does, these are my bonuses, and that's it. And once that's done, on the next day, I send them another email about the product, with few different angles, like what if they have a hobby, if they want to turn their hobby into passive income, they can go to this site. This is my discount coupon that I got from vendor, and these are the main features and why they should get it, and the list of my bonuses. So I usually try to go to their JV page, find few swipes, and rewrite them according to my personality, add my bonuses, add my links, and I send them emails. So after sending 4 or 5 emails, I was able to send them again 254 clicks, and which made me $316, but I got a refund, one refund, so $285 net profit. And it was a pretty good promotion, a lower, but it's okay. I actually wanted to explain you the process of how it's done. And now thing is, having an email list. If you don't have an email list right now, you won't be able to send any offers. But building an email list it's not so difficult. Anyone can build email list. All you need to do is find a free offer, create a product, maybe a free report about something, a checklist, or a free video providing people some value. And then when people get to your email list, you can start building a relationship with them. You can send them free offers, you can send them free value, you can provide value through a video like this, or you can send them any other free reports or something, send them to your blogs, and try to build your reputation, your trust. And once you have done that, whenever you see a product launch coming, you can actually go and look for product launches, like which launches are coming on manchai.com. I am basically into internet marketing niche, so this is a great calendar to see which offers are coming around. Like today, social video suit is launching. I think I promoted that, and I should have got few sales. Okay, while it loads, let me show you. These are all the launches that are happening in the coming days on 10th March, 11th March, 12th March. So if you want to promote like Traffic Builder, which is coming on 12th of March, what I usually do, I go to their JV page, get my links, and I prepare my sneak peek page that I showed you, and I prepared my bonus page. Then I send them an email one day before the launch what this product is about. Then I send them emails on the launch day. I send them email on the next day, 2-3 emails on the next day. And if it's keep doing good for me, if I keep getting sales, I continue promoting it for next 4 or 5 days. Usually I run a full campaign. Okay, so far I think I have just got one sale for that offer, but I'm pretty sure that I would be getting more sales in the coming hours. Okay, so if you want to build an email list, what you can do, you can create a landing page like this. I use ClickFunnels to create these pages. So here I'm giving them a free report. I think it's a 27-page report where I tell them a strategy. And when people come to when people click on this button, they can give me their email ID, and I send them to a thank you page, and I also send them the report to their email. And these people, they get into my email autoresponder. In this autoresponder, I have around 37,000 people. I have few other autoresponders with 22,000, 23,000 subscribers. Okay, so this is a simple landing page I have for this funnel. Here, once they get in there, I tell them I am sending them I have sent a free report to their email. They will receive it in 10 to 15 minutes. Meanwhile, check out this another offer, and usually this is an affiliate offer, and sometimes it's my own offer. Okay, this is how you can build an email list. So I hope that it really helped you how you can make money on Clickbank. And if you don't have an email list so far, I have a free course where I teach you how you can build an email list, and what strategies you can apply to build a tribe for yourself, build a good following for yourself, and what kind of emails you can write, and how to build a long-term sustainable and an unshakable affiliate marketing business. So you'll find the link to that in the description below. And again, if you like the video, like it, comment on it, and share it with your friends, and make sure you subscribe, because I keep updating this channel with similar videos where I show you my results, what kind of results I'm getting in my business, and I share a lot of tips and tricks, strategies, what's working for me in my business. So if you want to keep updated, make sure you subscribe, and I will see you again. Thank you so much.